Uphold and surprise as Ripple XRP topped exchanges trending coins. You see it right here, and Uphold is one of the few exchanges that you can buy XRP Ripple right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, Uphold never expected XRP to be among its top trending coins. I'm not really surprised about that because it's one of the only places you can buy XRP Ripple. In recent time, XRP has attracted lots of attention among cryptocurrency investors as new developments are reported in the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. Now, following the increased investor interest in XRP, the crypto asset ranked as the top trending coin on Uphold, a leading crypto exchange. Now, XRP led other top crypto assets like Dogecoin. You also got XDC, Kava, XDC, and Casper. Now, the development came as a surprise to Uphold as the exchange never expected XRP to make the list of the top 5 trending coins on the platform. Now, I'm not surprised with this because XRP Ripple is extremely popular. I'm surprised that Uphold is surprised by this. Now, interest in XRP spiked amid events in the Ripple versus SEC suits. It is noteworthy that in the interest of XRP is largely influenced by developers in the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Now, the lawsuit seems to be going in Ripple's favor. There is likely that the investors' interest in XRP will soar. It definitely will soar, thus helping the asset class to rank among the top trending coins on various crypto trading platforms. It's already there right now, in my opinion, or getting close to there. Several positive developments have been recorded in Ripple's favor in the ongoing lawsuit this month. Now, the Crypto Basic, we love the Crypto Basic, reported that several firms had declared support to file briefs in Ripple's favor. In addition, the SEC also surrendered drafts of William Hinman's 2018 controversial speech to Ripple. We'll wait and see what happens with Ripple versus the SEC case, but right now, Uphold is enjoying this attention as it's a top exchange. It's a top exchange with Ripple XRP trending coins. Congratulations. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.